Is running strong, regional bulk, hauling logs. Air suspension gives a nice soft ride. The fairing's got a toolbox inside. Piano hinge doors stay quiet and square, and that huck-bolted cab ain't going nowhere. Not 600 horses charging straight and true, and it's aerodynamic to save you fuel. If you got it, a big truck brought it. If you want it, there's a big truck on it. Said if you got it, a big truck brought it. And if you want it, there's a big truck on it. Now, picture a semi in your mind. The flat nose grill, the red oval sign, the classic looking semi. It was defined by the Peterbilt. The 389. The new model's got a slope grill hood that lets you see the road real good. If you like that, well, that's just fine. With me, I drive a 389. If you got it, a big truck brought it. If you want it, there's a big truck on it. Y'all sing it with us. If you got it. If you got it. Big truck brought it. If you want it, if you want it, there's a big truck on it. I'm 5-hour engine train.
Be a lady, honey. Be a lady.
Air-braking haulers go by many names. They're all a little different. But one thing's the same, whether Sterling, Mac, or Western Star. A big rig brought it to where you are. And it's Freightliner, Eagle, a Volvo or Ford, with Playboy mud flaps or baby on board, hauling solid gold or a load of manure. A big truck brought it, you can be sure. If you got it, a big truck brought it. If you want it, if you want it, there's a big truck on it. Come Santa Claus, here it comes. If you got it, a big truck brought it. And if you want it, there's a big truck on it.